G'day guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the very first Cars and Creator event at Chux Garage pretty much. So very first open day, looking forward to shooting JP's LFA and obviously the RWB Porsche Ronin Chris that brought down as well. So looking forward to seeing what the day has for us.
So my name's Jason and Instagram handles Jason Watts Photography. So I've been shooting cars for probably 12 months now, and yeah, it's been great. Originally, I was shooting landscape for probably 3 or 4 years, and thought it was time to shoot something different and to meet some new people. So yeah, it's been great. I just thought it was a great opportunity to come down and obviously meet some other local photographers, and a good opportunity, I think, just for photographers in general. I think generally we get forgotten, I think, in terms of the car scene. So, it's just good to shoot some rare cars that we probably don't actually get the opportunity to do. So, it's been awesome.
So my name's Tom Stewart. On Instagram I go by Finding McQueen. I'm an automotive photographer and I've been doing that for about 3 years now. Very unique, it's fantastic. It really pushes us to be a bit more creative with what we're doing.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video for our very first Cars and Creators event. I'm super pumped with the turnout and the weather held out for us, and having all the content creators come down and shoot the LFA, and then obviously the Porsche here as well. I couldn't be happier with the turnout, and I want to thank everyone for coming and all the content creators for shooting. And I can't wait to have something like this maybe once every month or every 2 months whenever I get the time between footy. So I appreciate everyone coming out, and hopefully you enjoy the little clip that we put together. Cheers guys.